Hi guys, welcome back to another one of our use cases. I'm Abby and today I'm back with a really cool one that we're gonna give a special shout out to Nicole and a big thank you of course because she lent us all information from her Shopify store in order to make this happen. So that being said, we're gonna learn how to automate product videos from information on your Shopify store and set up Google reminders in order for you to upload Instagram stories. So it's gonna be really simple, really easy. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoy content like this. And for this use case, we're gonna be using Google Spreadsheets, Zapier, and Woxo. Let's get started. Before we begin, we're going to start in our spreadsheet and we're going to make sure you add the meta date column at the end. This is where your videos, the date where your videos are supposed to be uploaded to your Insta story. So make sure you set this up before you start in Zapier. And now we're going to go to our trigger, which is going to be the everyday trigger. We're going to choose schedule by Zapier, and under trigger event every day, you're going to set up your trigger. And this is really up to you. We're going to go ahead to our second action, which we're going to connect to Google Sheets and select lookup spreadsheet row in action event. We're going to choose our account and then go to setup action. Here, just make sure you're connected to your Google Drive and then make sure you select the correct spreadsheet, the worksheet, and for lookup column and lookup value, make sure you put the column you just added before starting, the meta date, and for the lookup value, pretty date. Then continue to the next action, which is going to be the custom request. We're gonna choose webhooks by Zapier right here, and then under action event, custom request, we're gonna go to setup action, and here we're gonna follow the same format. So post as method, the URL we always use. If you don't know where to find it, don't worry because you'll find it in the tutorial in our description below. And then we're gonna continue to the data, and then here this is what's gonna take you most time because you'll need to fill this one by one. And we're going to continue with the headers. Don't forget to add the theme, the token, and content type. If you don't know where to find the theme and the token, please make sure to check out our tutorial in the description below. And then we're gonna continue with the delay for. You're gonna choose delay by Zapier and under action event delay for. And then setup action, this is really up to you. Don't forget to test every single trigger and action you do and continue to the next action. In this case, we choose webhooks by Zapier, but this time we're gonna choose the action event get. And in the set up action, we're gonna choose the same URL we used before, with the only difference that at the end you will not use the word generate, but put the success code. How do we find the success code? We go to custom request and simply click on success code. Then we continue. This is automatically given to you, so don't worry. And again, add the theme, the token, and the content type, the ones you used before. And then to our last action, we're gonna go to Google Calendar as our app, and the event will be quick add event. You're gonna connect it to your account, and then in setup action, you're gonna choose the calendar you wanna connect it with. And for the describe event, I just simply wrote post and added the data download link. So it's really easy. Every time you get the reminder, you'll have this link at hand. You'll simply download your video and upload it to your stories. And then for attendees, I just put the same hello Woxo tag, but if you have other teammates or some other person that needs to be notified or reminded, you might as well add them here. And then we're gonna go test your action. As soon as you test your action, the event should be added to your Google Calendar. And since I already did this beforehand, it's right here. And as you can see, the link is right here with the word post that we wrote before. It's really up to you. You can either just put the link or the word post. And then we're gonna check out our video. So we're gonna open a new tab and then just download our video to check it out. And let's see our final video. all for today, guys. As usual, I hope you guys found this use case helpful, that it was really easy to follow. If you guys have any questions, doubts, you know where to find us. And if you have other really cool, interesting ideas, let us know in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Bye. You'll simply download your video, and then we're gonna continue to the data.